Hello everyone, welcome. We will be diving into an exciting project that will not only introduce you to the captivating world of classification, but also allow us to unravel the mysteries hidden within the exquisite iris flowers. Our objective is crystal clear. We are here to master the art of classifying iris flowers based on their distinctive attributes. But wait, what's classification, you ask? Well, classification is a fascinating branch of supervised machine learning that involves categorizing data into predefined classes or groups. In our case, these classes are the different species of iris flowers, namely Setosa, versicolor, and virginica. You must be wondering why classification is so important. Imagine being able to identify the species of an iris flower just by observing its features, the length and width of its petals and sepals. This knowledge can aid botanists, researchers, and even enthusiasts like us in understanding the variations among these flowers and their unique characteristics. Our ultimate goal here is twofold. Firstly, we want to acquaint you with the concept of classification from the bottom up, and this project is designed for beginners and will guide you through every step of the process. That's why this project is specifically crafted for beginners and we will guide you through every step of the process. Secondly, we aim to develop a classification model that can accurately predict the species of an iris flower based on its measurements. Most importantly, by learning to implement classification algorithms like the one we will be doing in this project, you will be able to automate such classification tasks and thereby saving a lot of time in such mundane tasks. Throughout this course, you will not only get hands-on experience with real-world data, but also learn essential skills in data pre-processing, model selection, evaluation, and visualization. By the time we are done, you will be equipped with the tools to tackle classification challenges and expand your machine learning expertise. This is a very basic project and you can say that it is a hello world project to classification. Once you are done building your foundation with this project, you can apply your skills in various use cases pertaining to classification. We have divided this project into several sections for the ease of understanding the machine learning workflow. In this project, we will cover topics such as loading necessary libraries, introduction to the dataset, loading the data, data visualization, feature engineering, and training and evaluation of classification models. So now that we are familiar with the objective of this project, we are ready for some actions in the upcoming sections.